So adding and subtracting polynomials is very similar to things done before, where basically we're just combining like terms. Combining like terms. So similarly, when we've done things like when I have 3x plus 2 plus 4x minus 5, I can put together my x terms, 7x. I can put together plus 2 and minus 5 is minus 3, and that's it. That's all I can do to simplify. The difference with the examples we'll do right now is now when we say polynomial, we're dealing with variables with exponents other than 1. So x squareds, x cubes, y is also sometimes thrown in there. So for this one, let's say I've got 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 4 plus the polynomial x cubed plus 4x squared plus 1. So a lot of times parentheses are used to emphasize the first polynomial in the first set of parentheses, then the next polynomial. So, but with addition, I can really just drop the parentheses. I don't need them. Start combining. I mean, if I want to rewrite it without the parentheses, we can. But this step could possibly be skipped. So now I'm just going to kind of go in order. My x cubes need to be combined. 3x cubed and x cubed. So remember, if there's nothing as a coefficient in front of x cubed, I could put a 1 there. So that means now I have 4x cubed. The x squareds, I have minus 4x squared and plus 4x squared. Those will become 0x squared, or think of it like it's canceled out. The x, there's only an x, nothing to combine it with, so this one's going to come down. And then last, I've got minus 4 and plus 1. A minus 4 and a plus 1 is going to be minus 3. So that would be my combined added polynomial. Okay, let's do a subtract one as well. This time I'm going to throw in x's and y's. So x squared y plus 2xy squared minus xy, and I'm going to subtract a 2x squared y minus xy squared, and then plus 4xy. So this time, I definitely want to take the time to rewrite this and distribute the minus sign. So the first polynomial, I'm just going to rewrite x squared y plus 2xy squared minus xy. But now the second one, I'm going to distribute the minus sign. So I will have a minus 2x squared y, a plus xy squared, and a minus 4xy. So all the signs in that second polynomial ended up changing. So for my x squared y's, so x squared y, these go together. So 1 minus 2 is going to be a negative 1, so negative x squared y. Sometimes with a lot going on, it helps to cross this off. Now I've got 2xy squared plus xy squared. So that'll be a plus 3xy squared. And then last, I'm left with this minus xy and minus 4xy. Combine the coefficients to get minus 5xy.